Welcome to this Quill training video. In this video, we will be showing you how to post a transfer from your client account to a deposit account. The grey navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen details the different areas of the system you can access. We are going to access the posting area of the system. Click to select and click the plus next to the client folder, and then double-click Transfer Client to Deposit to select. The first field to complete is the MATA code. If you know the MATA code, you can simply type this in and press the Tab key. Alternatively, you can press the three black dots within the field, which will open a MATA code search box. You have the ability to update the search mode by clicking on the drop-down and selecting how you would like to search. In this example, I'm going to choose to search by name. Next, click into the white box, type in your search term and press enter. The system will return a list of possibilities and you can double-click to select the correct one. If your MATA does not currently have a deposit account created within the system, at this point you will be asked if you would like to create one. Click Yes to continue. Select the correct deposit account from the drop-down and all other fields should be pre-populated. If known, you can enter the account number, but this can also be completed at a later date. The Date Opened field will default to today's date and should be updated to the date it was actually opened. To confirm, this date opened must be before the date of the first transaction you would like to post. Click OK to complete. When navigating any posting screen, it is important to highlight that to move through the fields you can use the Tab button, or alternatively you can click in each field using your mouse. If you press the Enter key, the system will think that you are ready to post the item, and as you have not yet completed all the fields, you will receive the following warning message. Simply click OK and continue. In the Amount field, enter the amount you are transferring from the client account to the deposit account and press Tab. The Reference field is a free text field with a limit of 6 characters. It is important to highlight that the reference will be used as the sort order and also to group items within your bank reconciliation. If your fee earners are creating e-chits, this reference will be generated by the system and will be made up of the letters TFR for transfer and the day of the transfer. For example, if the transfer was on the 13th, the reference would be TFR13. Tab to the next field to complete. The Narrative field is a free text field allowing you to type in a description relating to the monies which will show on your ledger card. For this type of transfer, you can leave the narrative field blank and it will default to the system standard narrative which is transferred to deposit. Tab to the next field. The date at the bottom of the posting screen will always default to today's date and should be updated to the date of the transfer. To update this, simply click on the drop-down and select the correct date. The system will allow you to post a transaction into the current month and the following month, and is driven from the date of your transaction entered here. You will see that if I change the date to the following month, this is automatically updated. In the bottom left-hand corner, you will see a Keep button. If you click on the drop-down, this details each of the fields that you are able to keep the data in once you have pressed Post. For example, if I knew that I had multiple transfers to complete on the 13th of June, I can choose to keep my date and also my reference, which will group these transactions on my bank rec. After clicking Post, the system will keep the details within these fields. Once I'm happy with all the details, click Post to complete.